There are hackers everywhere, and they can breach and get into your systems. Unfortunately, in 2025, I'm starting to see that it's a necessity. Identity theft and data loss is going to give you a coverage limit. Hey, it's me again, CF, My Insurance People, your local agency here in Salem, Virginia. Today, I want to also get into contractors insurance. Whether you're a plumber, electrician, painter, drywaller, you name it, you need insurance. What kind of insurance do you need and why? Every contractor faces risk, property damage, liability, and more. Sometimes contractors suffer theft, and usually it has to do with tools. Contractor insurance isn't just a formality. It's going to protect you and your small business. It may even protect your equipment, tools, and reputation. Why does contractor insurance matter? Every job brings a risk, and you need to be prepared for any risk that comes your way. A small accident or unexpected loss can cost thousands. You may even need to provide proof of insurance to gain jobs. Having contractor insurance will show that you're professional, you're responsible, and you're reliable. It also keeps your business running if something were to go awry. There are different types of policies for you contractors. You have your general liability, your commercial property. You could use your inland marine and also your commercial auto. You would also have access to surety bonds and identity theft protection. Just like general liability in any business, it's going to cover accidents, injuries, and property damage. While working, you can actually cause damage to the space that you're doing work on, and it would be covered on your general liability. Your business property insurance, just like your commercial property insurance, is going to cover your tools, your equipment. Your business property can cover theft as well. A lot of the times, at least in my experience, a lot of contractors have had tools stolen from the job site. This is often the first policy that a contractor will need, and it's the first policy that a customer will look for. Your inland marine coverage, we're not talking about boats. We're talking about specific tools and equipment that are listed or scheduled on a policy. No matter the size of the tool, it's the value of the tool to you. When listed on an inland marine policy, each piece of tool or each piece of equipment is going to be listed. Inland marine is essential for mobile workers or mobile contractors. Your commercial or your business vehicle insurance is just like commercial auto. If you're out there and you have a magnet or you have some type of advertising on your car, you will need a commercial policy. A commercial auto policy actually splits you from the personal policy arena, and now when you're driving your company vehicle, that is covered under your business. Identity theft and data loss, unfortunately in 2025, I'm starting to see that it's a necessity. Whether you're on the road or using a wireless cafe, let's say at McDonald's, there are hackers everywhere and they can breach and get into your systems. So identity theft and data loss is going to give you a coverage limit that if you were to lose dividends, revenue, or data, they are going to cover it. In my insurance career, I have dealt with Artisan contractors and provided them coverage almost endlessly. So there are some things that you need to consider before you obtain coverage. What type of work that you do and where you do it. Whether you use vehicles and have employees or have employees as drivers. You also need to assess and know the value of your tools and your equipment. That is very important. The value of your tools and equipment need to be assessed and itemized. If you were to suffer a theft or a damage of your tools and equipment, the insurance company needs to know what was lost. And there are contracts that request specific coverages. If you were to shoot that over to an agent, they would be able to help you identify what is needed to obtain that job. So that's why you come on down to My Insurance People here in Salem, Virginia, so we can talk about your contract and your Artisan contractors' needs. In my experience as an insurance agent, I have helped write and cover Artisan contractors, whether you're a painter, plumber, electrician, drywaller, roofer, you name it. An Artisan contractor usually focuses on one line of work, whether that's painting, plumbing, drywall, again, roofing, you name it. I'd love for you to come down so we can discuss. I can learn the history of your business and help you move forward. You can reach me at 540-401-6789. You can also email me directly, cf@myinsurancepeople.com. We really appreciate you watching this. Please feel free to like, subscribe, or even comment any questions you may have, and we'll get back to you shortly. Thank y'all.